explain about the sentence confused family? Confused or Dubes family, I'm not so clear.
The BS
The
family.
confused or Dubes family, I'm not so clear. But then can you explain? As far as I just listen from what you explained, is this category of family meaning that they're not really practicing, even though they maybe meet, or maybe because of they're not really
They do practice. Depends on their karma. Yeah, depends whom they meet. They could be anyone. They could be anyone. Suppose they meet a guru who belongs to Sawaka family, and they listen to Sawakayana sutras, and they eventually become a Sawakayana family, a practitioner, or Pratika Buddha family. Or if they meet with a Mahayana or Vajrayana teacher, and they listen to Vajrayana teaching or Mahayana teaching, and then they will become a Mahayana or Vajrayana practitioner or student.
So you mean this kind of like a stages? You mean maybe we also, I mean, mostly we will start
it means
from
a lot of
this.
uncertainty. Dubis family, they are not specific. They are not specific. Depends on whom they meet. Huh? Like Karaf family is so clear that when you have these faults, then you are part of Karaf family. And Mahayana family, if you have this mark, then you are part of Mahayana family. But this Dubis family do not have all this so-called faults or marks. They
In
are.
other words, this kind of things like beginner stage.
Yeah, mostly beginners. I think it's mostly beginners, or even even who may have become Buddhist for so many years, who never practice, who never listens, and then maybe they have chance to listen to any of the school, Yeah, and sometimes, like for instance, I may consider sometimes we may consider, oh, I'm a part of Mahayana family, but I may not have had this requirement of to be a Mahayana family. I may just fulfill the requirement of Dubes family or Karaf family. So we have to go back and see where I belong to. For 3 days teaching, I thought just 2 days. So that's why I try to rush or push everything. I allow them to tell me
Oke ya, jadi secara singkat saja Bibi Sheila tadi menjelaskan tentang keluarga yang kedua, yaitu keluarga yang tidak pasti. Maksudnya di sini ya secara garis besar saja saya mentranslitkannya. Maksudnya di sini dari keluarga ini bukan dia tidak memiliki ciri-ciri ataupun karakteristik yang pasti. Artinya adalah dia itu sangat tidak pasti, hanya tergantung kalau boleh kita katakan nasib itu membawa dia ketemu dengan siapa. Kalau dia ketemu dengan seorang keluarga Sawaka, maka dia akan mendapatkan ajaran lalu dia menjadi seorang Sawaka. Kalau dia bertemu dengan seorang Pajeka, maka dia akan belajar dan mendapatkan ajaran dan menjadi seorang Pajeka. Kalau dia kebetulan bertemu dengan seorang Mahayana, dia akan mendapatkan ajaran itu dan sebagainya. Jadi pada saat kita berbicara tentang keluarga ini, ya bukan berarti bahwa hari ini kalau saya sudah datang ke wihara ini sebagai praktisi Vajrayana kita langsung menjadi seorang keluarga Vajrayana, belum tentu. Oleh sebab itu, ciri-ciri kita ya perlu kita teliti lagi. Kita pulang ke rumah, kita renungkan lagi sifat kita ada di mana, baru kita tahu kelompok kita itu ada di mana. Nah, sebenarnya kita belum ataupun milik ataupun termasuk bagian yang mana. Jadi bukan semata-mata karena kita pergi ke wihara Mahayana lalu kita jadi keluarga Mahayana, belum tentu. Sifat kita yang menentukan. Ya, ada pertanyaan kedua.